Hello students, today we are going to learn about binary arithmetic. Before starting binary arithmetic, let us revise some number conversions. So in this number conversion, if we have to convert the given decimal number into binary, then you have to write this number and divide the given number by 2. Okay, see here 2 2s are 4, remainder 0, 2 1s are 2, remainder 0, and this 1 is less than the base of the binary number system, so this 1 is nothing but MSB. Okay, and by taking the order of remainder from bottom to top, we'll get the equivalent binary of this 4 decimal is equal to 100. Okay, now if you have to represent this 3-digit number into 4-digit, just only write 0 before this MSB, then this will give the 4-bit representation. Okay, now if you have to verify your answer, let us consider that if this answer is correct or not, then write this 0 1 0 0, and we know that conversion of this given binary number into decimal will be 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. Okay, and this increasing power of binary weightage will give the number that is 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8, 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4, 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2, 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Okay, in this way. Now you can see this code 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8. If you have to increase this 4 bit to 5 bit, then just increase the power of 2 raised to 4, then 8 plus 8 16. Okay, means this code is equivalent to increasing power 1 8 4 2 1. If you have to increase for 5 bit, then this will be 16. Now student, tell me, what about 2 raised to 5? Yes, it is 32. Okay, now if you have to increase the bit for conversion of decimal to binary, then you have to write in this way. Now let us consider this example. Is this correct or not? As 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8, but it is multiplied by 0, what we get? 0. 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4, multiplied by 1, 4. 2 raised to 1 multiplied by 0 will get 0. Plus 2 raised to 0, 1, but we have to multiply this 2 raised to 0 by 0, then this is 0. So we'll get finally 4. So our answer is correct. Okay student, so remember that you can convert any given decimal number into its equivalent binary with the help of this code 8 4 2 1. If you have to increase for it 5 bit, this is 4 bit. Now after writing this 16, this is a 5 bit. If you have to write 6 bit, then 32. See, you can see the double change. See, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 16 32, as 32 plus 32 gives 64. Means this is the increasing power. 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 6. Is that clear? Now let us see equivalent binary of each decimal number by this chart. See, here this decimal number and this is binary number. If decimal 0 is written here, then their equivalent according to this 8421 code will get, if we have to write 0 only, 0000. Now what about 1? If you have to represent 1 in the binary, this 1 decimal in the binary can be represented as by writing only 1 below this 1 decimal and other digit represented by 000. So equivalent binary of given 1 decimal will be 0001. What about 2? This 2 can be represented as only write 1 below this 2 digit and 000 for remaining all digit. Now tell me student, what about 3? If 3 you have to represent like this, then there is an addition of this 2 digit. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, see, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Then you have to write only 1 below this 2 digit. See here, the equivalent decimal, see, this is the 3 decimal, and you have to represent this 3 decimal into binary. Then you can write this 0011. See student, in 8421, this 3 can be represented as addition of these 2 digits. So we get 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Only write 1 here and remaining digit represented by 00. What about 5? This 5 can be represented as, according to this 8421 code, only addition of 4 plus 1 will get the 5. So you have to represent 0101. Means actually this is the double method or divide by 2 method, but you can write the binary of given decimal in short way by using this 8421 code. Is that clear student? Now what about 7? As we know that addition of these 3 digit, that is 8421. These 3 digit will give 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. So we'll write 0111 for 7 decimal. Is that clear student? What about 8? See, in this 8421 code, 8 is at the MSB place. So you have to represent only 1 in the binary, and 4 to 1 not necessary to write 1. So write only 0 for this 3 digit. Okay, so this is equivalent binary of given 8 decimal. In this way you can write any decimal into binary with the help of this 4-bit code 8421, or these are the 5-bit representations. You can increase more than 4-bit. See, this is 8421 code, only we can use for 4-bit, but if you have to write 5-bit representation, then you follow this increased power and their equivalent decimal. Okay, now let us see what is meant by binary arithmetic and their rules. Student, binary arithmetic, as you know that in algebra we will start the calculations from addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, in the same way in binary arithmetic there are different rules for binary addition and subtraction. Now let us see binary arithmetic. First, binary addition and rules of binary addition. Now first rule for binary addition is 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0. Now student, some of this student can ask me, madam, how it is 1 0? Sum 0 carry 1. Now let us see how this sum will be 1 0. In binary arithmetic, it is, in binary arithmetic, if we have to add 1 plus 1, it is 1 0. But how it is 1 0? because if we write in decimal, this 1 is decimal 1 plus decimal 1. Okay, this is decimal 1 plus decimal 1, and decimal 1 plus decimal 1 will be 2. And we can represent this 2 in binary arithmetic according to this 8421 code in this way, or by writing only 1 below this 2 digit and 0. So this is 2-bit representation. So we'll get addition of this binary 1 plus 1 is equal to 10, not 2. This is in decimal and this is in binary. Okay student, remember this. 1 plus 1 is equal to 10, then sum 0 carry 1. What about second rule? Next rule, this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 1. Here sum 1 carry 1. Now student, see how to clear this idea. As we know that 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0, and 1 0 plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1. This is first rule. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, and this 1 as it is. So sum of 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 1. Sum 1 carry 1. So this is sum 1 and carry 1. Is that clear student? So these are the basic rule. You have to remember this rule. Then and then you can add the given different binary numbers. Okay. So first rule, let us revise. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 1. Now let us see this example. In this example, this is given sum. Add 3 decimal to 2 decimal. We know that 3 decimal plus 2 decimal is equal to 5 decimal. But we have to convert this 3 into binary, 2 into binary. Then we have to add. Okay. Now, here 3 decimal is equal to 0 0 1 1. How it is 0 0 1? According to this 8421 code. Okay, according to this 8421 code, if we have to represent 3 decimal into binary, then how to represent? Then this addition of 2 and 1 will get 3. Only write 0 0 1 1. Okay, you will get this binary equivalent of 3 decimal. What about 2? In the similar way, according to this 8421 binary weightage code, only write 1 below this 2 digit and remaining digit represented by 0. So you will get the equivalent binary of 2 decimal will be 0 0 1 0. Okay students, now let us add this number 0 0 1 1. This is a 3 binary number 3. Okay, this is 2 0 0 1 0. Okay, now write properly below each LSB, first LSB, and this is second numbers LSB. This is 2, this is 3 binary. First rule, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. See, this is first rule. 0 plus 1 or 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Okay. Now 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0. Okay. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0. But in this 1 0, 0 is sum carries 1. So you have to write here. 0, sum 0 and carry 1. So I will write here carry 1. Okay. And you know that 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. and this 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Okay student, so final answer will be 0011 plus 0010 equal to 0101 binary. Is that clear? So we can write here 0010 plus 0010 equal to 0101, but we have to identify our answer is correct or not. Let us write this here 0101, and we know that 8421 code. Okay, according to this 8421 code, this is 4 and this is 1. 4 plus 1 will be 5. And what is the equivalent of 5? This is the equivalent of 5, 0101. So answer is correct. Okay, in this way you can solve different type of example. Now let us consider another example. See, this is next example. You have to add 001101 binary to 111011. Student, observe this example carefully. In this example, first number is about 6 digit. Okay, what about second number? It is 7 digit. So how to add these two number? First you have to write properly first number and second number, but let us remember that you have to write both MSB in proper sequence. See, in this example you have to write first LSB and this is second LSB. Okay, but some of the student will write here this 11001101 plus 111011. So this is incorrect. Now in this way you have to write this LSB of first number and say LSB of second number. Okay, now perform the addition, simply writing first number's LSB and second number LSB in this way, but don't write. Remember that you have to start from right side. Okay, this 1 plus 1 0, sum 0, carry 1. Okay, again this 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. Okay, we know that 1 plus 1 plus 1, sum 1, carry 1. So this carry 1 plus 1, again 1 plus 1 will be 0, again this carry 1, 1 plus 1, this 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. Again we have to add 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. Then again we have to, at last we have to add this MSB to this carry 1. So 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. Okay student, I repeat again, addition of both LSB for first number and second LSB will give 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. Then this 1 will be added to this 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, sum 1, carry 1. This 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. Then again 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. In this way we'll get the final answer here. We can write the final answer here 001101 binary plus 100000100 binary equal to 10000100 binary. Now student, how to check this answer is correct or not? Let us see. As we know that 00101 binary equal to 13 decimal, and 111011 binary is equal to 119 decimal. Student, some of the student can ask me, madam, how this 011 is equal to 119? You have to write according to 8421, 8421, 16, 32, 64 in this way. Then you will get the correct addition, and you can find out the decimal of given binary number. Okay, so this 13 decimal plus 119 decimal is equal to 132 decimal, and we can represent this 132 decimal in the binary as follows: 100000100 binary. Is that clear, student? Okay, according to 8421 code, 8421, this is 16, 32, 64, 120. By adding this one, then this one, you will get 128 plus 4 is equal to 132, and the answer you have finally written here, this is correct. Okay, now let us see rules for binary subtraction. This is the first rule: 0 minus 0 equal to 0. Then 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. 0 minus 1 is equal to 1 means difference 1 and borrow 1. This borrow is a negative value, and this is the answer, difference 1. Okay, now student, this 10 minus 1 is equal to 1. How it is 1? As we know that as this is the binary 2, this is binary 1, we can write here decimal 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, and 1 is represented in this way. Okay, now let us see some examples. Now let us see this example: 1011 minus 1001. To subtract 1001 from 1011, we have to write the numbers. Okay, this is LSB for first number, this is LSB for second number. You have to write in this way and follow the rules of binary subtraction. As we know that 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is a correct answer. Let us verify this answer in another way. This is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, we have first used here. As 1001, this is the first digit, we can convert it into the decimal by using 8421. 8421. As this 1 represent decimal 1, this 1 represent decimal 2, 1 plus 2 will be 3, and this 3 plus 8 will be 11. Okay, this is 11 decimal. Now second number 1001, that is this 1 represent 8 decimal, that, and this last LSB represent 1 decimal. So addition of 1 plus 8 will be 9 decimal. By subtracting this 9 from 11 decimal, will get 2 decimal, and we can write 2 decimal in the binary form by using this 8421 shortly. We get 0010. Finally, we'll write the answer: 1011 binary minus 1001 binary equal to 0010 binary. Is that clear, student? So this is a verified correct answer. Now let us see another example. Now let us see this another example. 10101 binary minus 0001 0 binary. So write the numbers in this fashion. This is first digits LSB, this is second digits LSB. So subtract this 0 from 1, that is 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Then 0 minus 1 is equal to difference 1 and borrow 1. See, this is a rule of binary subtraction. If we have to subtract this 1 from 0, then difference 1 and borrow 1. So by applying this rule, this borrow 1 is here. So this borrow 1 and this 1 will get 0. Then 0 minus 0 will be 0. Then 0 minus 0 equal to 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Is that clear? So students, let us verify this answer either it is correct or not by converting this 10101 binary into decimal according to 8421. But this is a 5 bit, so write 16 here. 8421 here 16 because this is a 5 bit representation. So this 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 1 21. Then 00010 we have to write only 1 below this 2 digits. So now this 21 decimal and this 2 decimal, by subtracting this 2 from 21 we'll get 19, and this 19 is equivalent to binary 10011. Okay, so students, the final answer will be 10101 binary minus 00010 binary equals to 10011 binary. Is that clear? So today we have learned about binary arithmetic and rules of, in that binary arithmetic, binary addition rules and binary subtraction rules and different type of example. Okay, in next lecture we'll study about 1's complement subtraction and 2's complement subtraction. Okay, thank you.